How to turn on the pulse ox sleep tracking feature. Garmin devices featuring a wrist-based pulse oximeter will help you detect the oxygen saturation level in your blood. This video is going to teach you how to turn on the pulse ox sleep tracking feature. On Garmin Connect mobile app, select the icon of the paired device. Enter Activity Tracking. Select Pulse Ox. Turn on Sleep Tracking. Then hold the up key on your watch. Enter Settings. Select Sensors and Accessories. Enter Pulse Oximeter. Turn on Sleep Pulse Ox. You can also set the acclimation to manual or all day. Thanks for watching.